degree programs online. This year, 4.6 million, or a quarter of all US students, take at least one class online, making the online education industry worth a staggering $34 billion. And what about those universities we looked at in our history lesson? Well, the average number of students in the biggest 20 US universities is 50,000. The Open University now has over 250,000 students, which makes it the UK's largest university. And the University of Phoenix, now the largest online university in the US, has enrolled 500,000 students. So why has the uptake been so great? Well, for the students there are two main reasons: cost and convenience. With the average student debt now sitting at $23,000, students are keen to save money on accommodation, transport and other living costs. Online learning also gives them the convenience of studying from home at whatever time they wish. And no surprises, the benefits for colleges are again cost and convenience. The institution can save money on lecture